Hi, my name is Alexey Abramovsky, and I'm the team lead of ODA architecture team. And today I would like to provide some information about Architecture SDK. Architecture SDK is one of vertical extensions. It is a part of basic package and is available for our members without any additional fee. Architecture SDK is a tool for architectural design planning. It implements a set of primitives specially suited to architectural work, such as walls, doors, windows, roofs, and so on. In addition, Architecture SDK provides a set of tools designed to enhance the workflow of construction documentation. For example, associative dimensions, schedule tables, spaces, tags, etc. Architecture SDK uses the WG file format, but an object enabler is needed to access, display, and manipulate object data. Architecture SDK is a mature product and now is in active maintenance state. It supports all of the CAD architecture primitives. Currently, we aim for continuous improvement of the product. We aim to enhance Architecture SDK UI features, so grip point support for roofs and associative dimensions was significantly improved. Grip points are UI feature which allows to modify an object simply by dragging them. Nearly every object in drawing includes basic grips, which are displayed at key points when the object is selected. Using basic grips, you can quickly modify the size, shape, or location of the selected object. In addition to having basic grips, many objects have grips that are relatively unique to the type of object. These grips provide access to additional options. Let's take a look at associative dimension grip points. We have added several groups of grip points that allow to move dimension line, mirror text, add or remove extension lines, move text to an arbitrary position, or independently move dimension chains. A number of improvements were recently implemented for stairs and railings. Before, a railings generation algorithm could not create railing for a complex baseline. Now, the algorithm can handle a very complex shape, such as shapes which we see in this demo. A user can create almost any shape of a railing by dragging a grip point. Stairs generation was also improved, and stairs with down orientation are now generated correctly. Besides, stairs generator algorithm could fail to generate a spiral stair with a complex trajectory before, but now it can handle such cases correctly. A module which converts architectural entities to IFC format was recently added to Architecture SDK examples. On the screen, we can see a house loaded from a WG file. To test our example, we start IEC to IFC converter, which makes an IFC file. Let's open the results in IFC file in a third-party application to check the results. We can see that the house was converted correctly. We have entities like doors, walls, roofs, and slabs in the IFC file. We can see it in the top right side in the tree. We can show or hide groups of entities to see the internals of the house. For example, now I hide different object types, and we can see how the model reacts to these changes. We have implemented shaded surfaces support for curved surfaces, which allows to render smooth lighting and avoid visual artifacts. On the left, you can see an example of lighting artifacts. Windows had some kind of shade inside. Now, windows are rendered as a smooth surface as expected, and you can see the results on the right side of the slide. Future plans. On architecture project, we plan to continue project maintenance at the same pace. We aim to improve overall quality and stability of the product. We will be adding new features and support new DWG format versions. Thank you for your attention.